Miss ko na yung dating ako. Yung mas masaya, mas buo, at mas confident. Minsan naisip ko, kailan ba ako naging ganito? Parang along the way, nawala ako sa sarili ko dahil sa mga struggles, heartbreak, at expectations na kailangan kong harapin. Kaya kung tatanungin mo ako, kung miss ko na yung dating ako, isa lang sagot ko. Sobra.
You be saying no, no, then saying yes, 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 'cause you're messing with your head. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, my mind.
With all my heart, I mean every word. So as
Bullshit na lamig to. Kanino na naman kaya tong relasyon? Nandamay pa ng ibang tao.